奶茶，奶又多，快少少喎。呢個奶茶都好味道嘅。Assalamualaikum。啊，你好嗎 ？Yeah, you want to be actor? So how are you doing today? You can speak Chinese, right? A little bit, OK。你好嘛？今日我平時行嗰條路都係10分鐘行得嘅，不過我翻工嘅都係20零分鐘。點解咧？又見到啲細路仔家長握手，握手咧一個係我哋習慣啦，即係意思咧就係祝福你咯。我就係 Mr. 巴士呢度嘅舊學生，我又巴基斯坦人又香港人，今日翻工啊，而家去教書。
The money will be donated through Jazz Casual Day to the Family and Child Welfare Services to support the families who are in need. So thank you for your generous donation.
咁多嘅唔同嘅小民族人咧，即係可以自己一齊 merge 到，一齊咁開心玩。佢哋好多都係着翻佢哋自己嘅國家嘅衫、民族衫，覺得有個 freedom 咯，可以着到呢啲衫出嚟，又開心啦。呢個學校有好特別嘅歷史。呢個學校起咗都多過100幾年嘅，大部分嗰啲學生咧都係小民族嗰啲人嚟嘅，你都好少見到嗰啲中國人啦。我覺得係呢間學校嘅舊